Right, question 21 offers us a circles theorem question. There's the diagram. We've got lines from a chord to the center, and we've got lines from that same chord up to point A on the circumference. Okay, let's start the analysis. So we've got a chord BD, and to the center we've got 64 degrees. So the angle BAD will be half of 64. So fact 1, angle BAD equals 32. And the reason is because the angle to the center is twice the angle of that to the circumference. So we've got this angle here as 32 degrees. So in this triangle here, if this guy is 32 degrees, this guy must be 97 degrees. And so must this angle. This is also 97 degrees. Which means that this angle is 19 degrees. So they're not circle theorems. That just uses the rule that internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this is the angle we need now. Well, as we're told that CDE is a tangent to the circle, and OD is therefore the radius, they meet at a right angle, and that's 90 degrees. So 2x plus 19 is equal to 90, because the tangent and the radius meet at a right angle. So just working that equation out, I get therefore x is equal to 90 minus 19, which is equal to 71 degrees. And there is the answer.